Good morning to all. Myself, C. Kokila Predeshni, working as a assistant professor in Department of Information Technology, Mohambigai College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about Python libraries for data wrangling. Some of the Python libraries are TensorFlow, NumPy, Scientific Python, Pandas, Matplot Library, Keras, SCI Learn, Python Torch, Scrappy, Beautiful Soup. In this, NumPy, Scientific Python, Pandas, and Matplot libraries are studied in Unit 4 and 5 of Foundations of Data Science. So, remaining are the new Python libraries. First of all, we are going to see about TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a library for high performance numerical computations with around 35,000 commands and a vibrant community of around 1,500 contributors. It is used across various scientific fields. TensorFlow is basically a framework for defining and running computations that involve tensors, which are partially defined computational objects that eventually produce a value. Applications: speech and image recognition, text based application, time series analysis, video detection. Features: better computational graph visualization, reduces error by 50 to 60% in neural machine learning, parallel computing to execute complex model, seamless library management backed by Google Quicker updates and frequent new releases to provide with the latest features. Scientific Python. SCI Python has around 19,000 commands on GitHub and an active community of about 600 contributors. It is extensively used for scientific and technical computations because it extends NumPy and provides many user friendly and efficient routines for scientific calculation. Its features collection of algorithm and function built on the NumPy extension of Python, high-level commands for data manipulation and visualization, multidimensional image processing with the ACI Python image submodule, includes built-in functions for solving differential equations. Application: multidimensional image operations, solving differential equations and Fourier transform, optimization algorithms, linear algebra. NumPy is a fundamental package for numerical computation in Python. It contains a powerful n-dimensional array object. It has around 18,000 commands on GitHub and an active community of 700 contributors. It is a general purpose array processing package that provides high performance multidimensional objects called arrays and tools for working with them. NumPy also addresses the slowness problem partly by providing these multidimensional arrays as well as providing functions and operators that operate efficiently on these arrays. Features: it provides fast precompiled functions for numerical routines, array oriented computing for better efficiency, supports on object oriented approach, compact and faster computations with vectorization. Application: extensively used in data analysis, creates powerful n-dimensional array, forms the base of other libraries such as Scientific Python and SCI Learn. Replacement of MATLAB when used as a SCI Python and Matplot library. Pandas. Pandas is a must in the data science lifecycle. It is the most popular and widely used Python library for data science. along with NumPy in Matplot library with around 1700 comments on GitHub and an active community of 1200 contributors. It is heavily used for data analysis and cleaning. Pandas provides fast, flexible data structure such as data frame, data frame series, which are designed to work with structured data very easily and intuitively. Features: eloquent syntax and rich functionalities that gives you the freedom to deal with missing data, enables you to create your own function and run it across a series of data. High level abstraction contains high level data structures and manipulation tools. Applications: general data wrangling and data cleaning, extract, transform, load ETL jobs for data transformation and data storage, as it has excellent support for loading CSV files into data frame format. Used in a variety of academic and commercial areas, including statistics, finance, and neuroscience. Time series specific functionality such as date range generation, moving window, linear regression, and date shifting. Matplot library has powerful yet beautiful visualization. It's a plotting library for Python with around 26 commands on GitHub and a very vibrant community